Welcome to painting.
This has been one of my dreams, which sounds really silly, but I've honestly wanted to paint a wall for as long as I can remember. I've never lived anywhere where I've been allowed. And we've also got these little acoustic deafening devices from Aaron, because it's obviously so echoey in here. We're trying to, I mean, it's not really working, but it's sort of working.
It's so soft.
Yay. No. We've discovered a problem.
We're a bit stupid because
taking a pizza break. I think it's very well deserved. We've been doing this a couple of hours and we've done that. That's what we've done, that little zoom around there. It's looking a little bit patchy, but it is just the first coat, so we are very hopeful for tomorrow.
And it's looking better now that it's drying, so that's a good thing.
Yeah, 100%. So it's obviously already dark outside. We're gonna finish this room and then we're just gonna start early tomorrow and do the rest of them.
Paintbrushes.
This is clearly day 2 because
I'm so dead.
Tired, very tired. But we definitely needed some more supplies. Extra rollers, extra paintbrushes, extra paint, nicer paint, and now we're looking for masking tape, like painter's tape. Found it.
But it's not blue this time.
I'm sorry, they don't have blue. Oh, that's pretty good. That is not bad. So much better when it's white, not magnolia.
I mean, you can still see it's quite streaky.
Yeah, absolutely. But that's fine. Yay! What we are noticing is that things are so much quicker today. We did one wall in an hour. This is our second, and what, it's only 1 o'clock. Oh my goodness, so we've done 1.5 walls in an hour, which makes me feel a little bit more positive about the fact that we will get both of these rooms done and finished off today. So yes! Having a break. I'm opening a microwave.
I'm not very strong.
It's alright, I'm just going to film and not help. Oh! Whoa! But look, this is the first big thing we bought. These are exciting times. So my room now has its first coat of white paint. Definitely a better job than in here, but this still isn't too bad. And we're now going around all the edges just to finish the bottom. Aaron is just finishing the top. This is going a lot speedier than yesterday because I think we're more confident now. Even if you're slightly less enthused, we're more confident, and we've got a better system, I think, as well. Wow. Can you tell I've been painting? It feels really weird to have a new place, but actually not be living there yet. We now rent 2 places in London. We're so bougie. Hello. Hello, hello.
Your men are in.
How's it going?
Hey.
Is it beautiful? Is it all done?
You took ages. We already did your job. You're the game painting party. Yeah, start rolling.
Welcome to some more content.
Practical comment?
So where we're at now is we've painted our rooms entirely. They're all dry. It's been a week. I've been in New York and we've slowly been moving across some stuff. Now I'm just waiting for Aaron to get home because we need to take a few things to the new flat. And then we need to go to do a late night Tuesday IKEA run. Get it, loser, we're going shopping.
Yay!
slightly cheaper version of the one that we saw in Dunelm. Yellow is definitely a very specific colour.
I prefer the
Further round. I found you!
Welcome to the authentic IKEA experience.
Where you drop the pencil.
Shut up.
The classic.
Ginza.
Everybody has these under their beds in the UK.
Do they actually?
Loads of us do, yeah. I like it. I just can't now remember the other one I tried. Is it nice though? And that's a bit gross.
Cool.
I'm gonna go with a non-IKEA mattress. Is this special?
Will it fit, do you reckon?
Yeah. We're now through to the things. Should we get some things?
Let's get some things.
What things do we want?
A casserole dish.
Yes. We just never use it. It's the day. It's move out day. Can't quite believe it. It's our official move out day. I am now waiting for our cleaner to turn up so that they can do our last clean before we hand over the keys this afternoon. But yeah, can't believe it's here. This is my room now. So the duvet that's on the bed is not mine, that's my roommate's. The neatly stacked one is mine. We're in! We made it! This is how my room looks currently. It's not terrible. What is terrible, woo, switcheroo, is yeah, my air mattress has a leak. Where's an Aaron?
Hello there.
Yeah!
Just being a domestic goddess.
So the first thing we've done is sort the kitchen. Our plan of action today is this. This is a wardrobe. So this is the first thing we're tackling. I personally love putting together flat pack furniture, honestly. If anyone ever needs some flat pack furniture done, just come and let me know. I've got to be able to get there in London, but yeah, this is a challenge I'm ready to take on. Usually when I move on like a Saturday or a Sunday, and then you're just too busy to ever actually appreciate it. But this is Friday evening. We have the whole day tomorrow and the whole day Sunday. Just sort of get things done and get used to being in a new place. So I'm excited. And I think that's gonna be it for my moving vlog. It's very different to the stuff that's currently on my channel. And I'm not used to doing the vloggy type style stuff anymore. It's how I started, but certainly not what I do anymore. So I hope that you enjoyed seeing a little bit more of me and finding a little bit more out about my life. And I will hopefully see you when I have either a new video about London or I have sorted out my flat. See you soon.